The market is bleeding right now. Dogecoin is crashing down. We're going to talk about that. How far is Dogecoin going to come down? Is it all over? Or are we just getting started? Is this an opportunity to buy Dogecoin? Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Maxi, and I have another video for you guys. Today we're going to be talking about Dogecoin and the entire crypto market. So hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's hop in this video, guys. All right, so first things first, we are looking at Dogecoin, and you know, if you weren't looking at this chart based on market sentiment, you would think that it's over, that Dogecoin is at zero. But really, when you zoom in, this is what everyone's freaking out about. We are looking at the weekly time frame, so probably will look a little bit more drastic in lower term time frames. So we're really just talking about this little bit of a spillover here, and we haven't really spilled over just yet. It's just beginning, and I'll tell you why that happened today. Over on crypto Twitter, you can follow me at 333blacksea. I showed we had the FOMC meeting today. We had a live stream with Crypto Kip today. We were live streaming the FOMC meeting, and Jerome Powell said we are not allowed to own Bitcoin. And let me play this for you because it's a very, very interesting thing here, guys.
Assets that have been buoyant. Do you see any value or benefit in the U.S. government building a reserve of Bitcoin?
So, you know, we're not allowed to own Bitcoin. The Federal Reserve Act says what we can own, and we're not looking for a law change. That's the kind of thing for Congress to consider, but we are not looking for a law change at the Fed.
So that's what we saw happen at the FOMC meeting today. And honestly, we saw rate cuts, but Jerome Powell was being so bearish, talking about, I don't know when we're going to be cutting more rates and probably going to be pushing this a little bit further down the road, and was being pretty hawkish, and it's really drove the market down. This question about Bitcoin did not help at all, and the market, well, I'll show you. Whoa, yeah, exactly. The market is getting slammed right now, but Bitcoin came down, crashing all the way to $100,000. So really, it's not that insane. But I will tell you what, really, where everyone's experiencing the pain is right here, guys. Bitcoin dominance trading at 57%. It's so crazy because if you've been following the Crypto Report, you know that I've been making these videos talking about how max pain is Bitcoin dominance rallies to test the bottom of the rising wedge around 59% Bitcoin dominance level. And that's exactly what we're looking at right now. And there's a lot of pain. There's a lot of pain with that. You're seeing a lot of the money rotate out of alts because people are panicking. Ethereum at $3,600. 2 days ago, it was at $4,000. Pretty big sell-offs, and you guys know this, know the story. When Ethereum breaks down, altcoins break down, and that includes Dogecoin, guys. So let's talk about Doge a little bit here. Dogecoin is sitting at rank 7, down 13% in the past 7 days, down 10% in the past 24 hours. Now, it may seem like a lot. You know, we're trading about 35, 36 cents. It may seem like a big sell-off, but guys, I really need you to understand. During bull markets, you can see 30% drawdowns. That is possible. It gets bought up. It gets bought up. I've been saying this over and over again. The bull markets are not easier than bear markets. You have to know when to sell and when to not panic sell. It's a very tricky time. It's a very, very tricky time. You want to make sure that you catch all those gains to the upside, but at the same time, you don't want to be the last one at the party when the lights turn on. No, because guess what? Then you're going to miss the boat. And then you're going to be bag holding, guys. But I do believe that this is not over. And I do believe that altcoin season is going to get absolutely wild. And if you believe that as well, I recommend you check out the description box below or the pinned comment down below. We have a $5,000 sign-in bonus to Blowfin, as well as 10% off all trading fees for the lifetime of your account, guys. Please take advantage of this. No other exchange is offering this. No other exchange is offering this right now. I really recommend you sign up. Even if you don't want to trade right now, sign up now, because if you want to trade in a year from now, you will be grandfathered into that 10% off all trading fees. And you can catch some bottoms if you think that we're getting ready to go to the moon, or if you think that we're going to be going to zero and you want to short it, take advantage of that $5,000 sign bonus. This is what I was talking about, okay, guys? When it comes to Dogecoin, all eyes should be on Bitcoin dominance. And Bitcoin dominance is doing exactly what I said is possible, and that is coming to test the bottom of this rising wedge that we have been trading and going up in for the past 2 years, guys, okay? we broke down and everyone was screaming altcoin season, and I'll be honest with you, it's confirmation that it's altcoin season. But right now we are getting a significant, painful bounce to the upside right now, and it is looking like it wants to test around 59%. And if that does happen, we want to make sure that it tests it as resistance, not support. We do not want to break through this. If we break through this back into this rising wedge, I will be saying, guys, we're looking at something different here. We need to be a little bit more cautious. But as of right now, I think that these dips right now are opportunities. I really do. I think that altcoins are going to perform well. We just need to be a little bit patient. When you look at Dogecoin, we looked at the weekly looks like nothing, but if you look at lower term time frames, you can kind of see what's going on here. We'll look at market cipher as well. Like that does look not so good. You're seeing money flow going to the red, so money is coming out of Dogecoin. Momentum wave is pretty thick. And that money flow, yes, the money flow could do something like this, but we'll have to see. We'll have to see if Bitcoin plays nice here. Really, we need to make sure Bitcoin is staying over $100,000. We need to make sure that Bitcoin dominance stays below 59%. If we see that, then I think we're okay. But honestly, we don't want to be seeing any daily candle closures, even like 4 hourlies below $50 billion when it comes to the Dogecoin market cap. Right now, we are sitting at a $52 billion market cap. So we need to stay above about a $50 billion market cap, in my opinion, for me to say, okay, everything's all right here. But if we do break down, then the next step will probably be around $44 billion. And if we start breaking below that, you start to zoom out, it doesn't look very good. I'll be honest with you guys. I want to be transparent on the crypto report. I'm telling you how I see it. We want to be holding up above $44 billion market cap. That's kind of the last stand, in my opinion. This structure like this, I don't like that. I don't like it. It's bearish. It doesn't look too good. This is the 4-hour time frame. Looking at the daily looks a little bit better. You're seeing money flow starting to curl down. That's okay. This does look a little bit toppy, I'll be honest, local toppy, but listen, in bull markets, it is not crazy to see 30% drawdowns on Bitcoin leading to 60, 70% drawdowns in altcoins. It is very, very possible, guys. It is very volatile. When retail comes here, they panic buy and they panic sell. It's as simple as that. So be prepared for these big drawdowns and these big moves to the upside. If you like this type of content, guys, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and please, in the spirit of what's going on in this space, I'll be doing a little bit of a giveaway. Follow me at 333blacksea on Instagram and Twitter. If I can get to 1,000 followers on Instagram in the next 24 hours, I'll give one of you guys $1,000. I'm just going to keep doing this giveaway. You know, I did like a 7-day giveaway for giving you guys 7 days to get me to 1,000 followers. It didn't happen, but I'm just going to keep going. I want to give you guys some money. I like giving back to the community. And in the spirit of everything crashing, I think it'd be nice to give back. But that's all I got for you guys. If you like this type of content, like I said, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comment section below. Do you think that Dogecoin is going to hold above a $44 billion market cap, basically around a 25, 28 cent level? Do you think it's possible? Or do you think we're coming way further down? I'm very curious on what you think. Check out those awesome referral links down below. That $5,000 sign-up bonus to Blowfin, as well as 10% off all trading fees. That's all I got, guys. I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.